Right, don't know if anyone could help me. Very simple thing. This is a whatever shape, it didn't even make much difference. If you can see, the infill is on the diagonal. What I want to do is change this infill to be in a spiral. So, for example, I've gone into Fusion and on the created a toolpath. So if I then just play this, you can see I want it to go in a continuous spiral around and around and around for my infill, not on the diagonal. I've pulled the G code, and so as you can see, this is how I want the toolpath to move. So if I press play, you can see it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So I was hoping I could just pull this code, and with the existing G code on for this one, so there's that. There you go. Sorry. What I was hoping I was then just be able to pull this G code out, set it to like G91 0 everything, and then copy or paste the code in, and it doesn't work. What I'm getting is it's like as if it's all scaled out incorrectly. So if I just rewind this, so see this beginning part, it's not spinning around as it does on this one. So it's exactly the same bit of code. If I just go back up here, go to that one there, and then, oh, sorry about this, it's a bit clumsome. Play that, pause that, yeah, there. So see this piece of code here, it is identical to this here. However, whereas this one does a nice tight turn, this one's not, but it's the same coordinates. So anyone could help me, let me know where I'm going hideously wrong. I'll be grateful. Bye.